Hey guys, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa lahat. Here we are with another song. Familiar ba kayo sa sound na yan, ha? It's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. OMG, love. Napaka-complicated, no? Kaya lang, sometimes ang sarap magmahal, guys. Pakinggan nyo yung kantang ito. Napakagandang kanta. Si Regine Velasquez, ang kumanta nito, yung version niya, ha? Kasi yung original nito, You Were There by the Southern Sons, hindi sila taga Pilipinas, taga Australia. But this one, version to ni Regine.
This could not be happening to me.
But you were there,
You were everything I'd
never seen.
You
Walk me up from this love.
an empty sleep. I was alone.
Siguro ang sarap pagmahal muli, no? Yung alam mong pagising mo sa umaga, nandiyan yung nagmamahal sa'yo, minamahal mo rin. Alam mo yung the feeling is mutual, na alam mo, mahal niyo pa isa't isa. At sa hirap at ginhawa, magkasama kayo, no? Alam mo nga nandiyan siya. Napakagandang maramdaman yung bagay na yan.
I opened my eyes and you
Were there. Yung panahon ng tagal-tagal mo nakatulog, tapos bigla pagising mo, nandiyan siya sa tabi mo, no? Gusto ko yan.
Don't be alarmed. No, don't be concerned. I don't wanna change things, leave them just as they were. I mean that things really
Different.
It's me who
Feels strange.
I'm always
Lost for us.
when someone mentions
Mentions your name. Di ba? Di ba pag binabanggit ang pangalan ng minamahal mo, kasi may kasamang kilig, no? Grabe. Ang saya-saya ng feeling.
But I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type who dreams there could be more.
But you were there.
You were everything I'd never seen.
You woke me up from this love.
An empty sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Can I take your smile home with me?
Guys, meron isang tao dati, no, na-experience ko to, medyo bata-bata pa ako. Yung pagkakita ko sa kanya, pumapasok siya sa opisina, no, tapos nakangiti, sabi ko, uy, siya na ba? Minsan nangyayari sa buhay natin yung ganung bagay na isipin mo, siya na ba yung para sa akin? Kasi sa ngiti pa lang, nakita mo na, no, yun, mapapaisip ka talaga.
All the magic in your head.
Magic. Love is magic.
The rain has stopped. storm has passed. Look at all the colors. Now the sun's here at last. I suppose that
you
you
will leave.
but I
I want you to know, always stay with me even after you go.
like an actor playing someone else's scene.
Hanap!
This could not be happening to me.
Ang galing talaga ng pagkakanta ni Regine. Ibang-iba sa version ng original, no? Ito napaka-emotional, kontrolado niya yung boses niya. Alam niyo kanyang bumirit, pero hanep, feel na feel ko. Parang kanta ni Manilyn Reyes yun, ha? I was alone. I said no, 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 no. Sana no, darating yung panahon na pagbukas natin ang ating mata at katabi mo ang taong pinakagusto mo sa lahat, yung pinakamamahal mo sa lahat. Ang sarap siguro ng feeling, no? Kailan kaya mangyayari yun, guys? Grabe naman itong kanta mo, Regine. Pinapaiyak mo na naman ako. Whew. Actually, maganda yung kanta, no? Napakaganda. Lalo sa mga taong may mahal sa buhay. And I really admire you guys. Ang pagmamahal ay napaka-komplikado, no? Kaya lang, kung kaya nyo mong magmahal ng matagal na panahon, tuloy-tuloy nyo na. Tapos yung pag may nakilala kayo na gusto nyo, huwag nyo na pakawalan. Lalo na pag, ay Diyos ko, pagmahal din kayo, ingatan nyo yung pagmamahal na yan kasi mahirap na makahanap pa ng katulad yan. So, iyon lang ang masasabi ko. Guys, another beautiful song. Napakagandang awitin. You Were There by Regine Velasquez. Ngayon, kung sino mo sa inyo ang nasa sitwasyon na yan, embrace it. Alright? Huwag nyo nang i-give up. Huwag nyo nang bitawan. Huwag na kayo manloko, no? Huwag na kayo maglaro. Alright, guys? Alright, till next time. I enjoyed this song and I love this song. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!